Hi, I'm Chef Deborah. You know, every day I was thinking, what will be the next recipe that I'm going to share to you? Because I know most of us only staying at home, and this is the very difficult times for us. What we are facing right now because of this pandemics. At least if someone is watching my video, she can learn something or he can learn something from me that he can use for his business or he can use to make a food for his family. I'm a chef right now, but maybe nobody knows who I am. I'm a nursing graduate, and if I'm not a chef, maybe I'm one of the frontliners right now in the hospital. I'm also a teacher, a college instructor, and a trainer. That's why I always love to teach. I always love that someone is learn from me. You have more time now to learn. Follow all the steps that I was teaching to you. It's very easy to follow all my videos because step by step, I was giving you everything. So today, I'm going to teach you how to bake a Spanish bread or Spanish roll. Okay, we can start now. For the ingredients, 500 grams of flour, 90 grams of white sugar, 100 grams of butter, 300 ml of water, 200 grams of breadcrumbs, 7 grams of salt, 10 grams of instant yeast. For the procedure, put all together the ingredients except the breadcrumbs. Mix with the hook attachment, or you can also knead the dough until it becomes a smooth texture. Rest the dough for 40 minutes and prepare the peelings. For peelings, we need 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 80 grams of butter, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of flour. And now, we can start to cook the peelings. Put and melt the butter. And then, add the flour. Add the breadcrumbs. Add the brown sugar. And then add the milk. Continue stirring until it becomes thick and like a paste. The peeling is ready. After 40 minutes, punch down the dough. Now you can divide the dough, scale the dough 50 grams each so that we can get the uniform size. And now let's start to shape and roll the dough. Flatten the dough and like a triangle shape. Add the peelings and roll going up. And then threads to the breadcrumbs. Just continue this procedure until you finish all the dough. Rest again for another 40 minutes before baking. And now it's ready for baking. Bake at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And now our Spanish bread is ready. Take a look closer. Very nice and it's very soft. Let's cut in half and look what's inside. So yummy! I cannot wait to eat it now. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you learn something from me. Now you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much and have a good day.